Ajay is getting ready for a party and notices he's already running late. Just then, his friend Rahul calls and urges him to reach quickly. Feeling the pressure, Ajay rushes out, determined to make it on time. As he grabs his bike keys, he pauses for a second and thinks to himself.
Should I wear my helmet? Good call, Ajay. A helmet saves lives, and skipping it could cost you 1000 rupees.
As Ajay rode along roads he knew well, he came upon a junction where a narrow right turn offered a shortcut he had used in the past. The thought was tempting, he knew it could save him a few minutes. He slowed down, glanced toward the turn, and thought to himself.
Should I indicate? Nice one, Ajay. Using indicators prevents crashes and skips a 500 rupee fine. After taking the right turn, he found himself on a quiet, empty road. There were no cars, no people, just silence. He looked around and felt the urge to go faster. The road is empty and I'm running late. Is it really that bad if I go over the speed limit just this? Well done, Ajay. Sticking to speed limits saves lives and avoids a 2000 rupee fine. Ride smart. As he was riding down the road, he saw a red traffic signal up ahead. The road was quiet, with no cars or people around. He stopped and waited, but the red light seemed to take forever. He looked left and right. He thinks, there's no one here. If there's no traffic or people around, is it really wrong to jump a red light? Well done, Ajay. Following signals saves lives. Jumping one can cost 5000 rupees or much more. While he was driving, his phone suddenly vibrated with a call. He thought that he is getting the call from his friend and felt the urge to answer. Should I avoid answering this call? Smart move, Ajay. Calls can wait. Safety can't. Stop first, then talk. As he neared his destination, he came to a tricky spot on the road. He had two choices. He could take the long U-turn, which was safe and followed the rules, but it would take a few extra minutes. Or he could go the wrong way down a one-way street, saving time but breaking the rules and risking trouble. A thought crossed his mind, I'm already late. I will arrive sooner if I go in the wrong direction. Should I avoid it? Good call, Ajay. Safe choices save lives. Break rules and it could cost you 5000 rupees or worse. Ajay and his friend had a few drinks at the party, so his friend urged him to take a cab home instead of riding his bike. Ajay had a thought running through his mind, why leave my bike here? I'll have to come back for it anyway. Should I just ride home and not hire a cab? Smart call Ajay. Riding drunk risks lives and can cost you 10,000 rupees or even jail.